In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify permissions on Google Forms. If you've ever shared a Google form and realized you need to adjust who can view or edit it, you've come to the right place. We're going to take a detailed look at how to quickly and easily change these settings so you can control access to your forms more effectively. First, let's start by heading over to Google Drive. This is your main hub for finding all your Google Forms and other documents, so open up your browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're already logged in, you'll see a list of your documents. Look for the menu on the left side of your screen. It's usually where you'll find shortcuts to different Google apps, including Forms. Next, you'll want to click on the Apps section found on the menu. Once you're there, you'll see a list of applications, and this is where we find Google Forms. Click on Forms to proceed. This will take you to the Google Forms interface where you can see all the forms you've created or any that have been shared with you. Now it's time to choose the specific form you want to modify. Scroll through your forms and select the one you want to work on. When you have it open, look up towards the upper right corner. You'll find a share icon, usually represented by a silhouette of a person with a plus symbol. Click on this icon. Here's where you'll get to tweak the permissions. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure there aren't any unwanted restrictions. Typically, restrictions can limit the number of people who can view or edit your form, so if you want broader access, make sure to remove any such restrictions you didn't intend to have. Look for a checkbox or option to modify or remove them. After sorting the restrictions, you can now enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the form with. Take care to enter them correctly, as an error here could prevent someone from getting the access you wish to grant them. With the emails entered, you'll see options for choosing the access level for each recipient. Most commonly, you'll have choices like viewer or editor. If you're looking for them to collaborate and make changes, select editor. However, if you only want them to fill out the form, viewer might be preferable. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the settings, check everything over once more and then click send. This action finalizes your settings and sends out the appropriate notifications and permissions. Your Google form is now shared with the specified permissions, and you've successfully modified access settings. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.